Hi everyone, welcome to Hoodoo's feature highlight video for Screen Capture, your new tool to instantly document processes and KB articles without breaking your workflow. Screen Capture is the newest addition to Hoodoo's browser extension, so the first step is making sure you have the extension downloaded and it is on the latest version. As you click into the extension, you will see a new option, Screen Capture. So now let's go ahead and document a new process using this tool. Screen Capture can be used in or out of Hoodoo, but for this feature highlight, our example process we are going to create is setting up permission groups inside of Hoodoo. To begin, I will start the screen capture, and now you will notice that with each click I make, a new step in my process is created. I can go through my entire workflow and have Screen Capture document the process in real time. If I misclick somewhere, I can simply delete the step and then click again on the right area of my screen. If I needed to, I could pause or discard the capture at any point. Now, once I finish up all the steps of this process, I can go ahead and end the capture. This prompts me to select what item I want to save this as. Since we are using Screen Capture to document a process, I could save it as a global process template or as a specific company process in which I can select the company I want it used for. Once the process is created, I can now click into the steps I just captured and make any changes that are needed. Sometimes the wording of a task isn't quite what you want it to be, and it needs to be slightly changed to increase clarity on that task. For instance, instead of this process task being click select companies, I could rename it to add companies to allow or deny list, and then update the process. In just that short amount of time, I have created a process and made it available for my technicians to use throughout Hoodoo. Now, I have already done this for a process, but let's go ahead and use Screen Capture for a KB article as well. Let's say I want to create a KB article for running a script that is found in the Hoodoo Community Automation Library. I can go ahead and click where I need to, end the capture, and this time save it as a company or central KB article. Once I do so, I can now make any edits that I need to that article. Every second counts in IT, so stop wasting time switching between tools to document your workflows. Hoodoo's new Screen Capture lets you record processes and KB articles in seconds, all while staying in your browser. Thanks for watching today, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, join our community, or reach out to us at support.hoodoo.com.